Quick tips. Transform long video to shorts in 15 minutes for more views. Hey, video creators and digital marketing enthusiasts. Today, I'll show you how to turn your lengthy videos into engaging shorts in less than 15 minutes and boost your views. Let's dive in. Step 1. Go to opus.pro. I've effortlessly transformed my videos into 8 exciting shorts using this platform. Step 2. Go to ChatGPT. Prompt ChatGPT for 8 SEO-friendly video titles and descriptions. As my niche is free online courses for digital creators and marketers. Step 3. Move to YouTube Studio. Upload your shorts, and remember to include short in every title and in the description. Add short and all relevant marketing materials. Step 4. Supercharge your views. Re-upload your shorts on social media platforms like Pinterest, Tumblr, Imgur, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Remember to use relevant hashtags. For more tips and tricks for profit, link in description. Like, share, and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your support is highly empires to me. Happy creating, and until next time, peace.